Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Nature Explorer. Today I'm taking you to one of my favorite places for all things green, and that's Heemans. I'm picking up some plants for my raised beds and I'll show you everything that I got. Let's get started. Heemans always feels like a mini paradise. The colors, the smell of fresh soil, and the variety, it's hard not to get carried away. I was mainly here for the veggie plants for my raised beds, but you'll see I may have picked up a few extras too. Inside Heemans, there's a whole section just for houseplant lovers, and it's a jungle in the best way possible. From common favorites like pothos and snake plants to beautiful calatheas and even rare finds, they have something for every plant parent. It's also a great place to pick up stylish pots and planters. I really love how healthy and well cared for their plants are. It really makes a difference. Walking into Heemans feels like stepping into a botanical dream. The greenhouse is bursting with colors: petunias, begonias, coleus, and all kinds of herbs. Every corner is thoughtfully laid out, and it's easy to lose track of time here. What I love most is how everything is so beautifully labeled and organized. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, it's easy to find inspiration here. Whether you're a gardener, a flower lover, or just looking for a little escape into nature, this place has something for everyone. There's a cozy sitting area tucked among the flowers, perfect for taking a pause, sipping something cold, and soaking in the calm. It's a spot that feels like a little escape from the everyday. One of my favorite part at Heemans is this hilly area beside a quiet pond. It's a little off the main path and it's always so serene and untouched. You'll often see bees buzzing, butterflies fluttering by, there would be frogs, or just the peaceful ripple of water. It's like places like this that remind me how healing nature can be, even in the middle of a plant nursery. One of the seasonal highlights at Heemans is strawberry picking. From mid-June to early July, their fields open up and you can hand-pick fresh, juicy strawberries. It's such a fun activity for families or even a solo mindful escape. The strawberries here are incredibly sweet, and there's something so satisfying about picking your own fruit straight from the field. If you go, don't forget to bring a hat and sunscreen, it can get sunny out there. After exploring the plants and purchasing what I needed to, I always make a stop at their cafe. The strawberry milkshake is a summer staple. You can also grab local goodies, honey, preserves, or even fresh baked treats. It's the perfect little break in between plant shopping. Another thing I love about Heemans is their incredible fresh produce. Whether it's sweet corn in the summer or crunchy greens, you can really taste the difference in freshness and quality. They also carry local honey, jams, and other homemade treats. It's like getting a little taste of the farm while you shop for your garden. If you're someone who values farm to table living, this spot is a treasure. From strawberry fields to the houseplant corner, Heemans is truly more than just a garden center. It's an experience. That wraps up my visit to Heemans. I always leave here feeling refreshed and full of garden inspiration. If you're ever in the London, Ontario area, it's a must visit spot for nature lovers. Stay tuned for my next vlog where I'll be showing you everything that I bought home and how I got those plants into my raised beds. Until then, happy exploring!